Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I wanted to share a recipe with you that's very easy to make, and it's usually stuff that you have on hand, and it is so yummy. So let's go ahead and get started. What prompted me to do this today is I had some bread in the freezer that I had saved, and when I have like the heels and stuff, I save those. I use them sometimes for stuffing, sometimes for stuff like this, or breadcrumbs, or whatever. So I have 4 cups here.
Miss Chloe, what's the name of this recipe?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's chocolate bread pudding.
Chocolate bread pudding.
And to this, I'm going to add 2 cups of whole milk. And then a half a cup of half and half. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir this up to combine it. And this needs to soak for 30 minutes. So I'll be back and then we're going to go on to the next step. Well, it's been a half an hour, and see how this bread has just really done nicely here, soaking up the milk and the cream. So the next step is we're going to be adding all the other ingredients. So I have 1 stick of butter, or a half a cup of butter that's melted. Let me get a spatula. I hate to waste. Okay, so then the next thing is, let's go ahead and put our half a cup of chocolate syrup in.
Yeah, don't waste that.
We'll put our spatula there to get as much off as we can. If you don't have one of these measuring cups with the plunger on it, I can't speak enough about it. It's just a super handy tool to have in the kitchen. And we need 1 teaspoon of real vanilla. There we go. We have 3 eggs that I have already gone and beaten up. I'm just going to stir this together. Then I have 2 cups of granulated sugar and then 6 tablespoons of cocoa that I mix together first. And the reason I do that is so that the cocoa doesn't clump up and you don't get a bite of just cocoa that doesn't have sugar or anything in it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in here. And let's see if I have anything else that the nuts. That's just a half a cup of chopped walnuts. Or no, actually these are pecans this time. I had some pecans in there and I thought, oh, that'd be good. So I'm just going to stir this up. I have my oven preheating to just under 350 degrees. I'm using a glass dish. If you're using a metal dish, you go to 350, but mine is between 325 and 350. That looks like it's combined well together.
Looks good, Miss Chloe.
Yep. These little whisks are just perfect for mixing up stuff.
The old Danish whisk.
Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. Get my spatula. And this is, I went ahead and I sprayed my pan with the butter spray. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in here. I have to turn this so you guys can see. There we go. And this is going to take about 40 minutes to cook. Well, it smells good. All right. So I'll be back in about 40 minutes and we'll see what it looks like.
Sounds good.
Well, look at this, you guys. I got to tell you, it smells awesome.
Does.
This did take 45 minutes for us, and our oven was between the 325 and 350 degrees. And I think one reason it may have taken a little longer is because I used all fresh milled bread, you know, fresh milled flour bread in this. So anyway, I can't wait to try this. We'll be back so that we can taste test this together. See you soon. Okay, so now it's the taste time for the chocolate bread pudding. Look at this, you guys. If it tastes as good as it smells, this is going to be excellent.
Looks good.
Now, I do need to say that I made this with my fresh milled flour bread. And so that probably will make a difference in the flavor of this. However, with that being said, whatever you have will be delicious because I've made it many times before with just regular bread. This is so good, you guys. This is an excellent recipe. If you make it, please make it with nuts if you're able to eat nuts because it really ups it. But it's really chocolatey, and with those nuts,
Crunchy.
Oh, so good. And what a great way to use up bread that you have. I can't think of a better way to do it, except like for breadcrumbs for, you know, cooking as well. But this is just so good. So anyway, I want to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching our video and taking time to see us. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel. It really does help our channel to grow. And again, thanks, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.